सो हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आई होप आप सब अच्छे होंगे। तो फिर गाइस, आज की इस ड्राइंग में मैं बनाने जा रहा हूँ शिव जी और पार्वती जी की एब्स्ट्रैक्ट पेंटिंग। तो फिर गाइस, मैंने इसलिए जो मटेरियल्स यूज़ किए हैं वो हैं मास्किंग टेप, mechanical eraser, mechanical pencil and a compass because I don't know how to draw a circle, and some colors, acrylic and poster. I am also using this cotton and earbuds and scale of 15 centimeter and 30 centimeter, 4 flat brushes, 1 number brush, 2 number brush, 4 and 6 number brushes, and round brushes for detailing portion 0, 1, 2, 4, 6 brushes, markers, whitener, flat eraser, domes, watercolors, cakes, brush pens and pencil colors. I'm using this 26 shades. You can also use 14 shades of brush pen. I'm doing 24 shades. And the most important thing, the water for washing our brushes. So let's begin with our drawing. So guys, you can do with any of the colors which you are having available at home. I'm not telling you to purchase all of these colors. Which color you are having, you can do with them. You can use any of the masking tape. Both work same. I'm not telling you to purchase both. You can purchase one only. Or you can make a line here to do. You can do the same thing on A4 size sheet, but I'm doing this in A3 size sheet. And you can use any of this eraser for erasing outline. Both work same, but this give detailing part. For detailing parts I'm using. And you can use any of this pencil for drawing, as we have to draw on the outlining now. You can also use 0.7 mm and you can also use 0.5 mm. This is HB pencil. So let me first tell you what I have done in this drawing for base drawing. First, I have make a straight line in the center of the drawing and 2 circles. And for this side, I'm going to draw Shiv Ji, and for this side I'm going to draw Parvati Ji, and for this is for the head of Parvati Ji and Shiv Ji. So I have make these lines to identify, to make the faces. So for Shiv Ji, 14.3 centimeter line, and for Parvati Ji 9.9 centimeter line both side, and the distance I have keep in between is 3.1 centimeter. And in down for Shiv Ji, I have make a gap of 17.4 centimeter, and for Parvati Ji I have made a down line for 13 centimeter. Let me show you. As you can see, 17.4 centimeter and 13 centimeter. This is the baseline from which we are going to draw today's outline. So let's start our drawing tutorial outlining portion part 1. If you like my today's video, so like, share and subscribe for more this type of interesting videos. Let's begin with our drawing. So we are going to start first with Parvati ji. As you can see, this is coming first. So we will draw it like this, a curved line. For every drawing we will start first with face. As you can see here, it's a little bit curve here and a little bit curve here. So we will make a little bit curve this side like this and came down very like this. We have to make face only inside this circle. We do not have to go outside of the circle, only inside face too. How you can see this drawing is a little bit curve. According to the drawing, we will make the drawing little bit curve like this. As this is a little bit curve, so I will make a first curve here, and here we will make a circle. Press the pencil very lightly to draw whenever you draw. This drawing credit goes to Shivangi Shah. I am keeping this video aim 1.5k views aim. We will go up little bit, only this much for Parvati ji face, and here we will draw exact circle. As I don't know how to draw circle, I am going to use so here I have drawn the circle. So now we will give this detailing to earrings, and the rest part we will erase it. So I have made this circle of 3.2 centimeter. Let's go to ear side. In abstract painting, it has a lot of curved lines, so you have to practice how to draw curved line like this, and from this to this side, and from this to this side. For making ears, we will make a curved line like this to join the ears. So I made this ears curved line. From touching here to gone, like this, like this, like this, like this. I have rubbed this area to make I have made this oval. So let's do inside portion. Now you will take it at this place, as much distance you like to keep. Then we will go a little bit up and then curve and curve. As this drawing has much texture, it can look more prettier. So this is complete. So let's make bindi. So we will take it at this place. We have to make a circle, only a little small. When it is done, we will draw this portion. So it has also completed, and then we will go to its eyes. Only a curve, small curve, and then we will make a small line at ears, and its face is completed. And then we will come to neck, and then we will take it at this place. You have to observe the drawing like this. Now we will make here from this we will take it like this. We have to only make curved lines like this. item. Now we will make jewelry. From here I mark a line. Only curve. I'm instantly rubbing the extra part of the sketch. Now I will make gently the curve line, which is touching from here and like this. Now I will make the lines. You can see here. 3, 2, 1, go! 2. Jadoo! It's even glowing, guys. So I'm making this jewelry on ears. So we will make a bigger circle, smaller circle, and then from bigger to smaller, like descending order. So like this, like a moving car, changing the direction. So we will draw you can see this 3 in a line with this 3 only small. So first we will draw hairs. So our hairs has also done complete. Now we will make this. So we have completed with our Parvati drawing. So let's do quickly outline with a black marker. So now let's draw Shivji. So let's go. My today's video. So like, share, subscribe to my channel for more these types of video. So thank you, and share with your friends also. Subscribe and comment also.